All right, let's see. If you've watched my Intro to Blender lessons, should be able to do the following. Okay, so I'm going to call this Intro to Blender Activity 1. Okay, so the idea is to select the object here that's already in space, this cube. Okay, and I want you to move it and duplicate it. Okay, so let's go right click, which is Shift D, duplicate, press Y. Okay, right here, and Shift D again on the Y. Okay, done. That's one. I want you to turn on wireframe. I want you to select these three, 1, 2, and 3, like this, Shift D. This time I want you to duplicate on the X. Okay? Right. So the first one here, S.25. This one, S.5, enter. Okay, so you're going to see 3 different sizes. Okay? What I want next is add a mesh plane, S 10 times bigger. Okay, you see that? So I just made a plane, just a surface, right? Now I'm going to press 1, and I'm going to move this to go right underneath here. Okay, now watch the number here. What's it say? -1. -1. So now this becomes your ground. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, so next. Now I'm going to move these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all on the X back to the edge of the space. Look, right to the outside edge. Okay, let's go press 3, and then I'm going to see here, am I in the right space? Yeah, that's outside edge. Good enough. Okay, cool. Outside edge. Right. Next, we're going to go add mesh. Let's go with a cylinder. Okay, and then you're going to go Shift D for duplicate, but this time you're going to go up on the Z axis. Okay, there you go. Shift D, Z. All right, there you go. I'll go 1, 2, 3. You select all 3, move them over on the X. Just slide like this. Duplicate them. Shift D on the X. Okay, on the X. Same thing as before. First one, S.25. Stay alive. S.5. Okay, so you're doing something like that. Okay, there's these ones. Now we're going to take these ones to the right. Shift, Shift. So you're going to click Shift left click, Shift left click, and then you're going to move it on the Y, and then press G and then Y. See, out here somewhere. Okay, something like that. All right, cool. Now we're going to go into spheres. All right, so add mesh UV sphere. Nice. Okay, so now Shift, what is it? Shift D, I believe. Yes, it is. Z, up it goes, and then Shift D and then Z again. Okay, let's take these ones and move them over. Okay, like that. Then opposite end here. All right. All right, let's duplicate them. Shift D on the Y. God, it annoys me to no end. We'll do this the opposite direction. S for scale, 0.25. S.5. Okay, cool. All right. And now we're going to pick, and let's do something I haven't shown you here. Okay, I think this is pretty good, right? Okay, so do me a favor. Here's the last part of this, okay? Last one is add cylinder. This is a stepping stone to your chess piece, okay? So you're going to come in here, right? Okay, don't worry about all this stuff here. All right, don't worry about it. Okay, so I want you to go tab, go to face, and give me a second ring, inset. Okay, inset, like that. Sweet. Now press E for out, down. That's it. Okay, tab out, done. Add mesh. Not me. Okay, UV cylinder. Let's do it. Let's make this 16 now. Whoa, nice, isn't it? Okay, let's go to tab. Do the same thing. Go to face, select this face, and inset. See? Come on down. All right. This time, watch this. This is kind of cool, right? So you're going to hold Option, left click, right between the two. If it doesn't work like this, just come over here. Option left click like that. And now I want you to press E for extrude. E, extrude out like that. Okay? And here we go. 1, shift, shift, left click every second one. All right? There you go. You can do this. Oh, sorry. Let's go Command Z. Let's just press E. There you go. This is the stepping stone to your chess piece. Okay? And then the chess piece is a different activity. All right? There you go. Tab out. So that's piece number 1, piece number 2. You can do this. You're pretty good, right? All right, let's go. Let's make a cube now. I'm going to move these on this side. Let me zoom out and bring them to this corner here, this quadrant. Just roughly. It doesn't matter if it sits all right, okay? So this is what I want from you guys, okay? One more thing. Let's go one more. Add, mesh, cube. Boom. How are we doing here? All right, good. Only 6 minutes. Sweet. Okay, this is going to be fun. Tab. Get out of this extrude business. Watch this. We're just going to do one cut. That's it. Then you're going to get the edge tool just over here and you're going to go like that. Okay? Like that. Then you're going to go to the face and you're going to extrude out. 1, hold shift, 2. But this time when you extrude, I want you to use along normals. Watch this. Bingo. Just doing this for fun, okay? There it is. And this is how we're done. All right, let's do one more thing. Why not? Click, click. Let's go to inset. Look, inset. Wait for it. Pull in. Okay. There. That's all. Okay. I could do another inset for fun. Oh my God, what is he doing to us? All right. Let's just move all this up. And then you can now go whatever. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'll stop, okay? This is good enough, guys. All right? Thank you. I don't mean to kind of do this for you guys, but this is kind of fun, right? You can watch this. I can go to this face now. These 4 faces, like look, right? See the 4 faces? Press E. Come on out. Look at that. Come over here. Shift, shift, E, extrude. Isn't that nice? Right? You can do so many cool things in this app. I think this is more than enough. If you can do these things, I think you're in good shape to do other pieces. All right? Tab out, Valiant. Okay, this was 7, 8 minutes. All right? This is what I want from you guys. I want a screen grab with you doing this. Remember, this cylinder has more cuts than this one. That's 32. This is 16. All right? All right. Valiant out. Activity 1 done. Under 8 minutes.